After a fishing trip out at sea, these men return to shore. They're among close to 1,000 fishermen who operate from this jetty. They work in 2s or 3s. That's as much as their boats can take if there's to be enough room for the fish.
We fish round the clock except when we are sleeping. We spend close to a week at sea. It can be risky out there, especially when it is windy.
They're offloading what they've caught out in the high seas, and by their standards, they've had a fairly good catch. Now, much of this is going to be taken away and sold for export because, believe it or not, fish does not make up much of the diet here. So they're running a fairly basic system here in what could be a multi-billion-dollar industry. It's potentially lucrative because Somalia's coastline is the longest in Africa. Its waters are rich in fish supplies. Exploiting this could provide enough food and help curb the high levels of youth unemployment across the region.
We need harbors. We also need boats and freezers in all small villages that will make it easy for people to engage in fishing.
This is the first set of trainees in a United Nations boat-making project. The new fishing boats are made from fiberglass instead of the commonly used wood. They're lighter and narrower, so they move quicker and use less fuel.
This initiative responds to the inefficiencies in the fish capture, inefficiencies in fuel use, in the gear use, and the time spent on the water. This boat is designed to improve the productivity of the fishery.
Decades of conflict in the region have hampered the growth of this local industry. Foreign boats take advantage of the situation and come in illegally to fish. But there are hopes that developing the sector will restore order and prove valuable to the people here. Tomi Oladipo, BBC News, Somaliland.